Next problem, in triangle ABC, BC he is giving 1 and as well as AC he is giving 2, then the maximum value of angle A we need to identify. Angle A maximum we need to identify. That is the question. So let me take the diagram. ABC is a triangle such that BC he is giving 1 and moreover AC he is giving 2. Angle A maximum we need to identify. For that, let us consider sine rule, that is 1 divided by sine A by sine A equals to B by sine B. That means 2 divided by sine B. Now we can write sine A as sine B divided by 2, taking reciprocal on both sides. To get angle A maximum, we need to identify maximum value of sine A. To make sine A maximum, sine B should be maximum. What is the maximum value of sine B? That means maximum value of sine function, it is 1. So sine A maximum will be 1 by 2. That implies angle A maximum will be pi by 6, nothing but 30 degrees. I think it is very clear for you once revise. Next problem, if A square, B square, C square are in arithmetic progression, then prove that tan A, tan B and tan C are in HP, harmonic progression. We have to prove that tan A, tan B, tan C are in harmonic progression whenever A square, B square, C square are in AP. Here ABC are sides of the triangle with the angles ABC. I think it is very clear. Let us solve this problem. Here A square, B square, C square are in AP. Then we can write B square minus A square equals to C square minus B square. T2 minus T1 equals to T2 minus T1 equals to T3 minus T2. T2 minus T1 equals to T3 minus T2. I think it is very clear for you. Then B means 2r sine B we can write. A means 2r sine A. So 2r whole square, if you take common on both sides, it will be cancelled. So it will be sine square B minus sine square A. In place of B, 2r sine B substituted and taken 2r whole square common. It will be sine square C minus sine square B. Sine square B minus sine square A formula will be sine B plus A into sine B minus A equals to, its formula will be sine C minus B into sine C plus B. Now you can see in place of B plus A we can write 180 minus C. Sine 180 minus C, it is sine C into sine B minus C equals to, here in place of C plus B I can write 180 minus A, it is sine A into sine C minus B. Let us apply formula for sine of B minus C. It is sine C into sine of B minus C. Formula is what? Sine of B minus A. It is sine of B minus A. Why? Because here A should be there. Sine of B minus A formula we have to apply. It is sine B cos A minus cos B sin A equals to sin A into sine of C minus B formula we have to apply. Sine of C minus B formula is sin C cos B minus cos C sin B. I think it is very clear for you. Now let us do one thing, dividing with sin A into sin B into sin C, dividing with sin A into sin B into sin C on both sides. Then clearly you will get here sin B sin C gets cancelled, cos A divided by sin A you will get. So that means cot A minus cot B you will get on left side. In right side what it will be? Cot B minus cot C will get. That implies you can see here it is nothing but cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP. This relation says that cot A, cot B, cot C in AP. From the above relation we can say that cot A, cot B, cot C in AP. So their reciprocals means tan A, tan B, tan C will be in HP. According to definition of AP and HP, we can say that tan A, tan B, tan C are in HP. That is the proof. Once revise everything we have applied trigonometry. So that's why once go back and revise trigonometric ratios, compound angles, transformations, multiple submultiple angles, then it will be very useful for you. Next problem, the perimeter of a triangle is 6 times arithmetic mean of sines of angles, 6 times arithmetic mean of sines of angles of the triangle. If the side A is 1, if small a is 1, then angle A we need to identify. That is the question. Let us solve this one. Perimeter of the triangle, that means A plus B plus C, I am taking side lengths are small a, b, c, is 6 times arithmetic mean. That means arithmetic mean of what? Sines of angles. That means sin A plus sin B plus sin C divided by 3. That is the given relation. Mathematically we can write like this. 2 times we can cancel. So here A means 2r sin A, B means 2r sin B, C means 2r sin C. That is equals to 2 times sigma sin A. Sigma sin A means we know everything, that is sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Here if you take r common, it will be 2 times sigma sin A. This is also equals to 2 times sigma sin A. So we can cancel these two, then r will be 1. R means circumradius of the triangle ABC. I think it is very clear for you. Whenever r equals to 1, we know according to sine rule A by sin A is 2r. Whenever r equals to 1 it is 2, but he is giving that A value is 1. A means small a value is 1. That means 1 by sin A we can write 2. So from that sin A can be written as 1 by 2. So then what it will be? Angle A. Angle A will be clearly 30 degrees. That will be the final answer once revise. Let me explain once again for you. Perimeter of triangle, that means A plus B plus C. Semi-perimeter is different from perimeter. Both are different. It is 6 times the arithmetic mean of sine Signs of angles means sin A, sin B, sin C. Arithmetic mean means you have to add all these three quantities divided by 3 we have to take, because these are three quantities. So this is mathematical simplification. Now here I have used sine rule that you need to observe.